Hey guys, I'm in Hawaii. Ooh. What's up, girls? We in this beautiful place out here, and we're gonna be doing a little get ready with me. I've already done my brows. Brows are done, brows are set, and I have put on some Tatcha primer, the silk canvas, and my friends are gonna join me, and we are gonna kill this look for our night out in Hawaii. Why am I not focused?
Well, come when you're ready.
Focus on me. There we go.
Girl, you gotta get your makeup out here.
Okay.
Hey, even if it's still Chris watching, I want you to know, Chris, that you're special, you're beautiful, and you inspire us. Okay, so I'm going for a soft glam. I'm going for a sip of her wine. This is gonna be embarrassing.
Excuse me, ladies.
Triple pretty.
Hi, ladies. Ooh, thanks, bruh.
With our wine and cheese.
Wine and cheese.
Dad,
We
can you
just
pour me a glass
Like, you put me in such an uncomfortable situation.
of wine, though? I need
Hey,
it.
girls. Okay, so
Okay, so
I have my Jeffree
think
Star
red.
Cosmetics bag.
The
Honestly,
that?
I feel like I have an Hermes bag. Oh my god. Oh my god, wait. Y'all gotta see this. Work it, honey. Oh my god.
He's blowing a chauffeur. What the hell's going on here, Nick?
chauffeur.
Where is he?
Work it, honey.
Oh, there he is, right there.
Wow. So we've got some real Hawaiians here.
I'm drunk.
Wow, you're so hot.
I got my Persian tea because I'm with my Persian goddesses.
True.
Look at the sunset, it's unreal. I
Wait.
love
Okay, let's be fast, y'all. We're gonna try and do this get ready and like, okay, she's distracted.
This is a rush glam.
This is a rush. Oh. This is a rush glam,
I
ladies.
think I'm the best at rushed
This is a rush glam, ladies. Okay, so I'm gonna go into my favorite foundation as of right now. It's the ColourPop No Filter Foundation.
This is gonna be so competitive. Well, first I'm gonna start with my skin trainer eyes from Pico.
So let's talk about life, y'all. Right? Is that what we do? I don't have my mirror. Hold on. So I'm gonna just apply this with my Morphe blending sponge.
I'm using the e.l.f. small stipple brush.
Do you have another?
And this is a quick get ready, y'all.
It's $3.
This is a quick- so we're doing a challenge. Let's give her. What time is it? We gotta give ourselves a challenge.
Well, what time is it?
Is it based on who looks the best or who did it the
No. The challenge is we can
Oh,
finish
fuck.
in the lowest
I
amount
don't
of
even have a
time.
mirror.
Do your makeup.
Y'all need to come prepared.
I'm sorry. I usually use the mirror. Oh, I do have a mirror.
Okay, so
This highlighting palette has a mirror.
then I'm
Thanks,
doing.
Jeffrey, your son. I
There he
mean,
comes.
what?
There he comes.
Your goddess.
Then I'm going in with NARS
Ooh, I love mine.
Casino Bronzer. I've hit pan on a while ago,
Oh, you hear that, ladies? She hit pan. That's a good sign.
but there's still a lot left.
Hit pan. Did you gamble enough?
I mean, I'm sorry.
Black peel, but make it cheek. Pro tip: contour under your chin to make you not have a double chin.
Wait,
Right here.
So,
Right
I don't even feel like putting on anything.
so now I have my foundation on. I feel like
Oh, and the brush I used was a Sephora contour brush.
I'm getting so overwhelmed. Oh my god. I forgot I was gonna do eyes first. I'm just gonna take this ColourPop Dream Street Kathleen Lights palette. This is what
Oh,
it-
I love this for the inner lid.
This is what it looks like. I'm just gonna take some of these like lighter shades, I'd say, and just kind of make a really nice soft glam look.
Okay, next I'm taking the Laura Mercier highlighter number 1. I'm using it for my lids to just
I
brighten
didn't
them
even
up.
put on, I can't even find anything, so that's me. in this
I'm
video.
taking a Morphe M541 brush, and I'm dipping into this super
Oh, yeah.
super light shade right there where my finger is.
I'm using some Laura Mercier concealer that took me 3 years to find because I forgot I had it, but it's really
Let
great.
me see.
Oh, that's cute. I hit
And
pan.
I'm just gonna, I think I'm just gonna blend it all over my crease.
Yeah, me and Layla use our hands mostly.
Oh really?
Only for this eyeshadow because I didn't bring an eyeshadow brush and this is highlighter.
I have like 50.
But sometimes the finger is better than any brush.
Wait, so with a get ready with me, we talk about life.
So we're in Hawaii.
So we're in
Right
Hawaii.
I'm stressed, even though I'm in Hawaii.
Chris is peeling.
I'm peeling. Like if you saw my back right now, you'd think,
But
wow.
I'm recovering from a surgery that I had.
Yeah, so we're all in weird places, but
My nose is peeling.
we're all so thankful to be here. We love Hawaii.
Shadow.
Wait, okay, hold on, y'all. You need to see the sunset right now because, oh my god. Like, do you see that? Y'all see that? I'm stunned. Back to the makeup. So what should we talk about, you guys? Like life stuff? What's on your minds? What's on my mind right now is Trump.
Why?
The guy last night.
Don't waste your time on that.
Like, people who support Trump.
Guys, what if
Why
we get
do
really
you
famous
support
off
Trump?
this video?
Oh my god, my back. I'm just putting on some Stila.
What is that? Who's that?
My mom sent me that.
Wait, Brad, come in the shot and say hi.
Who's that?
It's our fans.
This is Brad Black, or Brad Dad, if you can see him. That's Brad Dad.
That's all you got. Sorry.
That's Niki's
No, I
dad.
was saying to
He's
the viewers. That's all you got.
He's amazing. Like, best dad. So I'm just putting on this Stila eyeshadow, liquid glitter eyeshadow, whatever you call this stuff. Honestly, I'm obsessed with
Niki's
it.
taking a break.
Niki's texting. We have a time limit. What's our time limit? Oh, we need to be done. When do we need? Like 4 minutes? Okay, we need to be done in 4 minutes. Yeah, we're about to go, aren't we?
No.
I'm using the roller lash.
Look at this message I got. Can you please use my stage name, Leilani?
Say sorry, it's already taken.
Sorry.
Roller lash from Benefit for bottom and top.
Okay, next, MAC blush in Melba. Literally the most perfect color ever.
So
it looks
Layla,
good on everyone.
we should talk about how we all met, I feel. Since
How did we meet? When was the first time we met?
So Niki, first time I met Niki, we met in college. And I literally, my first impression was of Niki was she ran into my room. Why is it blurry? Focus on me.
I'm drunk and stunning, boys. I miss you.
But yeah, so Niki, she came into my room screaming, "Oh my god, you're a Lana Del Rey fan?" And I
Oh my god.
I had this huge Lana poster in my in my bedroom, in my dorm room.
It's just crazy how people from YouTube are like random people from who the fuck where.
Midwest.
So I met Niki in my dorm freshman year in college. She came, we lived down the hall from each other, like 2 steps. She comes running in, she goes, "You like Lana Del Rey?" And I was like, yeah. And she's like, "Oh my god, me too." And I just was so overwhelmed. I was like my first week at school and I didn't know how to react. And so for a while, Niki and I were friends, but like we didn't like hang out a lot. And then all of a sudden there was just like a moment.
Yes, Dom? It's gorgeous.
Wow.
I really need.
And so I was like,
I'm
"Niki,
moisturizing.
come on, please come with me. I'm alone. I have no friends. Everyone's asleep."
So that clues you into Chris always needs someone
Oh my
with
god,
them.
I do. I really do. And then Niki was nice enough, and she's like, "Okay, fine, I'll come with you." And then we kind of had a little heart to
I was
heart.
crush heart.
Oh my god, stop.
What was their heart to heart from about?
I don't know. We just like I think that was the first time I actually just hung out with you and me.
I wonder what we talked about. Can I put lip balm on my nose if it's peeling?
I don't know. Ladies out there, can you put lip balm on
I
your...
did it. I feel like it's the same petroleum jelly. I'm gonna do see.
Comment down in the sections below. I mean,
Is
yeah,
my
no,
nose peeling,
comment in the
or
sec-
am I just
wait,
wearing? Comment down.
comment in the
Do
section.
you have any more?
No.
Oh,
I'm just hyper.
this look is so good.
Should I have one?
Yeah. Is my nose peeling or is my makeup just on it?
I think it's peeling.
Oh my god, what a fucking...
Wait, why did... Oh, Layla took a break. I forgot. Okay, so Layla left. So far I have eyeshadow, eyebrows, eyes, mascara. I didn't put on concealer yet.
Sky.
I really like Kylie's concealer
Dad,
gypsum.
this is incredibly.
Kylie concealer. It's actually decent. It's actually pretty good.
I really like Kiko. They're from Italy. When I lived there, I bought all this shit. And then I came back, and I was happy to know they had a store in Highland and Hollywood, and then it's now closed, I guess. But if you're in Italy, you're lucky.
But Nikki and I have, Nikki's been my homegirl. You know, she's always been there for me. She's a true...
It's incredible!
Also, y'all don't know this, but she's an amazing singer, and if you don't realize that, you need to listen to her music.
Yeah.
Do you have a SoundCloud? Like, where can you listen to your music?
Honestly, are we gonna post it?
Yeah, of course I'm gonna post this. I'm gonna link her Instagram below, and you all need to follow her because she's amazing. You won't regret it.
Amazing. I know the sky looks incredible.
Oh my.
Do you want to say hi to the camera?
Hi, camera.
Huh? Uh-huh. For a get ready.
Nobody understands. This sky is ridiculous. Yeah, the wine is awesome. Thanks, Chris.
Of course. On the cheese.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
Bought it for
I
us.
bought it for everyone, yeah.
Oh my god.
The sky is
Wait,
incredible.
I need to get my phone.
I just realized I didn't wet my Morphe sponge.
Whoops. Highlighter is.
Wow.
Oh, this is Vida, and this is Lily.
Hello.
They are the most beautiful Persian women you will ever meet, I swear.
Should we run to the beach right now? Let's go run to the beach.
I'm gonna keep doing my makeup, but
What time are they getting ready to go?
you're done already?
Stefan's calling me.
Guys, let's go to the beach right
Wait,
now.
I
I'm being serious.
This was a get ready with friends, and now the friends left. Okay, that's done. Sliding over here is cute. We're good.
Guys, I really think we should go to the beach right now.
I'm good, but thanks. Butter bronzer from Physicians Formula is unreal.
Smile, everybody! Can I see? Can I see you?
Oh. Thank you so much. Honestly, I don't know what I feel like I'm going so out of process right now. But I'm trying to do as fast as I can. Trying to give myself a nice bronziness. The lighting out here sucks, but that's okay. Because it's quality over... I mean, I guess... I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know what to do next. I feel like I'm almost done. Oh, blush. Blush. I really love this Morphe blush palette. I don't know this is what it looks like. I don't really know. It has a name. Oh, it's the Blush Trio de Blush Pop of Coral. That's what it's called. My little kabuki brush. I'm gonna go into the shade Boss. It's the more pinkier shade. I'm working right now as a dance teacher. And I love it, but I also just love makeup and I love making videos. So I hope you guys are enjoying this. Oh my gosh, this thing keeps falling off my head. Yeah, that's hot. Okay, now I'm gonna put on some highlight. And I'm gonna use my 24 karat palette from Jeffree Star. The shade Sarcophagus is the most stunning shade. Honestly, you don't need to wet the brush, but I like to. But I'm not. I'm gonna not wet the brush, and then I'm gonna see if I need to. Oh wow, yeah, you don't even need to. Don't even need to wet the brush.
So I guess I'll show you guys my outfit. This is a get ready with me. So it's just this little mini.
So yeah, I'm just doing a really simple glam look. And then for lipstick, I'm gonna go with the more nude one. The shade is called Uno Mas. It's cute. Wow, I love this formula. Sorry, it's so dark in here. Okay, I think I'm done. All I need to do is put on some setting spray and I'm good to go. Wait, let me just do a little set. And hold on, let me show you the finished look. So this is the final look.
No, my stomach is killing me.
I'd say
Is it?
Is it too bad now?
my eyes, I love my
No,
eyes.
it's just oily and cheesy.
Oh, she's in.
You know?
It's cute, you know? I like it. How'd your makeup turn out?
Good.
Good?
Looking good.
Yours beautiful.
Aw, thank you. Layla, let's see yours.
Bro, my eyes are a clown.
No. Stunning. Stunning. Stunning.
Soft glam.